Think of Docker as a specialized shipping container for software. Before Docker, a programs might work perfectly on a developer's laptop but break when moved to a server because the settings, libraries, or versions were different. Docker solves this "it works on my machine" problem. 1. What is Docker? Docker is an open source platform that uses containerization technology. It allows you to package an application with all of its dependencies into a single unit called a container. Because everything is inside the container, the application runs exactly the same way on any computer, whether it's a Mac, Windows, or a Linux server in the cloud. 2. Key concepts to understand Docker. You need to know these 4 terms. Dockerfile, a simple text file with a list of commands. It's like a recipe that tells Docker how to build your application environment. Image, when you cook the recipe, you get an image. It is a read-only, standalone package that includes everything needed to run the app. Container, this is the live, running instance of an image. If an image is a template, a container is the actual active version of it. Docker Hub, a cloud-based registry where you can download ready-made images for databases, web servers, or programming languages. 3. Docker versus virtual machines. This is the most common question. Here is the simple difference. Feature virtual machines Docker containers size large because they include a full OS. Small because they share the host OS. Speed slow to boot. Fast to boot. Efficiency uses a lot of RAM and CPU. Very lightweight and efficient. 4. Why should you use Docker? Consistency. No more environment setup errors. Isolation. You can run 2 different versions of Python on the same computer without them interfering with each other. Scalability. You can easily spin up 10 identical containers to handle high traffic. Portability. You can build a container on your laptop and deploy it to AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud without changing a single line of code. 5. How the workflow works. Write a Docker file. Build an image from that file. Run the container using that image. Push the image to Docker Hub to share it with your team. Simple example. If you want to run a WordPress site, instead of installing PHP, Apache, and MySQL manually on your computer, you just run a single Docker command, and the container handles everything in the background.